Bw'umuguzi.
Gikomine omotinyukane omwaka bw'ekirubere n'emirongo ebere na inye n'amange abere akoba ime yense ichyo ya Kenya asumo waziri b'oburemi Mithika Linturi abere wikirana bosio bw'ebunge area ya Kenya ekumulekera ekemeri kelia ao bose ekumulekera abalemi nabo igo nigo omulero obaga gwateka ase ensemeria ya keroka abamenyi batamayetinga ngo obaga gosamba ebibanda biria nigo yaragire chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso mwanchu muri Ndizi TV andonzi soto tengerete ikaransa oikenkomanyiretera nenkoro kwa Job Maangi nayo konekinga nkonyorora mangana gwetera asenchira yomunwa wimanya nigakoro kwa Lydia Mose yokonekinga nkonyorora chibichechi boyo na maliogia yani gakoro kwa Sara Momanyi nkwera nande asingageterige tambe bekubamanyia narali aberega gwate korwa kete chinsa chamambi gwekera bono mugaso. Amajeni gotuko chaka korua ase omochie oliokeroka oyore ase orobero county ya Nyamira na boigo county ya Kisii ase abonjeria bensemo elia butuko bwarero nigo baba kubuka na konyoranga asara enene yemaiga yomorero gotuboka asense me yuna gosamba amakara na boigo amatunda amakara na boigo ebinto byabonjeria bensemo eyo ase batamanyetinga ningo oirera ebintu ebyo gosambwa ase bono babiri bagosaba abarayi bensemo eyukonekinga nkugayana bale engana aberege koleta libera linene igoro yorobebero lya rwakeroka elinde konekinga mbali gochikogendera gochandika nabo igo ngogendera bale nobo obonchiri bwabo abuna yarenge botambe
abero muroche mbatagete abana babo bakigosoma
matara ngoro kurosi omani amakara ekane natikoboka bono mambi egende gyo goshangasha kama kawaida ngichaso boncho rubwanerera ramis name konyore kene abitanda byane bisambire amakara asambire chikuninta maitire ngachire emetoriro amatakaro kabantigerete funande igabu na rosyo yongo kwana embwate chiteni chabande chungu nzima chi 20% no amenyerete njasenge njonda bwatya mokonya gongonya no musaka timbwati antigerete bimwane bike nabikine iryobororo injera kirende bona makara nago sambu nachire koretera abana bane nabakwende school umwana narombegete university nongo someri korwa umwana narombegete form 1 nongo someri
stock yote tulichukua maroni tukaweka makaa wamechoma serikali itatusaidiaje ingara watoto wakure
bali baba angete ko cyakero mubangi nabo murayo igoro nyasaye tamotiga tuaragere iriga keroka kinange kayo mbaenda chikoti betete nyasaye tabati konye mbago cyabasaba abanyabyasara bakeroka abangina bali abangina aba bakorera gayiga nabangina babo abangina moke na baba yete chikura ninki bako baboli ninki bako basambera paka beze sibakorusya muroche mbatagete babero muroche mbatagete abana babo bakigosoma kurango barere
tokorwa ase county Nyamira nigo tokwenda ase county area ya Kisii ase abatenene libechi woda imeye bunge ya county ya Kisii babere bakwerwa ase okorwania chisegi chegenka ogotacheruanse kwa bana tinyaroka na boigo kurwania okwambokeligwa ase kerengo kigoro kuburuire bwenyamoryo nigo batebanga nigo amanganaya abeiriga kwirira abasubati abange na boigo abana tinyaroka gochandika ase amagi bagima abo ayaniga bayakwana chinga kichiri baba goikerana ase ikaro kyabage kwaria nigwa ne kyombe kirgetenerete omubaro bw'aba Kenya nabo igokora obotuki igoro yamarwire nabo igo ebinto ao ebigendrete kwa aba Kenya obokongu asebo igo kyombe kyabage gusaba abantu bonsi kwene kinga ngotiga bare okunererwa kwa abana kinyaruka nabo ikone kinga abantu bonsi komenya bare ase omorembe nabo igo asenchera ebwenerete.
Fine.
Because we've come up with a way forward that's going to help our population. Like, for example, if we have less population, like we've said, we manage the population, for the families to have a number of children they can be able to be responsible for, take them to school, make sure they have good health, we'll have a prosperous Kenya.
So we are focusing and saying that whatever form of gender-based violence it is, let's have a rescue center that has an intervention that is wholesome, and it makes that rescue center for a one-stop shop for the target population.
We have daughters who are that young. Some of us are almost becoming now grandfathers, and we need to look at this problem as a communal problem, and then we must also develop communal mechanisms as a community to address the teenage pregnancies and also the gender-based violence, which is contributing to a lot of problems within our
Togoskabosio ase oroboti rogwichani nigo omwana oyo kabeire omuraibwense anyagosira Daniel Arap Moi ase amalieta omwana igakoro kwa June Moi nigo abagagosiria obugima bwaye obutukoboka lero kolengana nenka yaye nigo babatebanga nigo omosubati oyo abagagosiria obugima bwaye kale n'emyaka emerongo etanemo ase abagagotoka gasireti obugima bwaye ase nkayaye egotoka ime yomochie o Nairobi. Goskabosio ase orobotura bero kugendera imense icho Kenya na kuirera abalemi abange kwe murungania nigo omwaziri woboremi mitika linturi abagawikirana bosio obwe bunge ekamati elie kumolekera oboremi ase asabo kuiranelia igoro yokoba aroro ku obwoyo butanjeri asensemo yae agendera gukananga obwoyo boro bemboyo ase ekiganja kelia geserekali kirikugacha embusuro naboigo obwoyo kia NCPB na gotebanga onyegoro abuniga tia bali baganeti gosaleria eserekali erieta asensemo yende abakenya ensemo yabango baenda gotebanga nigo obwoyo butali oboronge bwabeire bokoni wa imense ityo ya Kenya asikolende abande babakomoa okoboko omwaziri olia otenenerete ewizara eliyobolemi na gotebanga nigo abagati yabalia baganeti gotenene na goturubania omoroberi bwa serikali bokwena na obwoyo aserigo lirike na bwo bagenderete gosambasa engani na boigo na babiri bakonia obwoyo obwo botali oboronge.
Thing that we call the inadequacy of the produce, and if the government actually is interested in subsidizing production, then such things should not be going through the tendering system.
Neno ya mbolea imetuletea shida kwa sababu saa ile unatoa pesa yako unafikiria unaenda kununua mbolea, unakuta mbolea ni mawe.
Kitu hiko na ni scandal ambayo imeingia katika nchi letu. KEBS na all the authorities yenye nahusishwa wa take it seriously na wa make sure kwamba Wakenya wanapata fertilizer ambayo inayofaa.
Hatuamini ya kwamba kuna hiyo mbolea fake. Hata kama iko hiyo ni scandal kama ile ilikuwa ya sukari ile tuliambiwa iko na mercury. Baada ya mambo kadhaa kutembea ikakuwa mercury iliwachwa hivyo na watu wakaikunywa iko kwa mwili yao paka saa hii na tujaona walikufa. Hii scandal ya mbolea vile sisi tunaelewa hiyo fake fertilizer mimi najua ni scam tu ile imeletwa ya kwamba ya kuchapa ile mbolea, hii mbolea ya bei nafuu itoke, ndio ile wala
togoskabosio ase oroboti rorengete eng'ana eyo yokwenanwa kuoboyo obobenigo abaraikuru ase county area ya Bungoma babere bagosabwa omonto oliobetega kwenana obwoyo obobekoirerwa egetambokerio egetindi ase boigo babagosaba ekiombekeria kora obotukigia DCI kwenekinga gokora bari obotuki boisaine erinde omukageru oyo abegakoirerwa egetambokerio egetindi ase ng'encho nigo ebikoro ebyo kwenanwa kuoboyo butali oboronge birachikuirania egetambokero gya serikali kelia egyogokinia bose kwenekinga ense ichoka ya Kenya nkonyorere endagira eisaine ayanika bayakwana chinga kibare gosanga nabaliki bamangana ase babakorwa ekuro entindi gochiase bali bagendrete kwenana obwoyo butali oboronge.
We want to ask county governments, both Kakamega, Bungoma, Trans Nzoia, to be deliberate in ensuring that they are opening other distribution centers across our respective counties. The economy is not doing well, as everybody knows, so it's not right that people can spend fair to come and buy this subsidized fertilizer. So far, the supply of fertilizer that we have in our stores is safe and credible. And that is why we want to sound a warning to the company of the Indian guy. So far, we thank the National Cereals Board for this kind of gesture to bring fertilizer to our people. But then we are late. This fertilizer should have come by January or February, so that this time is just time for farmers to plant.
Goskabosionigo omoteneneri bwa waziri imense itio ya Kenya Musalia Mudavadi aberega kora egeikaro ky'abagekoreta amo ebyombe biria bya serikali bikomurekera igoro yobya nakwenekinga ebinto byonsi ngo ikirabire ebirengo biri bwendrete bitarachikonigwa ase chiduka au nigo egeikaro ky'abagekoba asensemo elia ya Mombasa ase omwaziri oyotenete abawaziri bonsi naboigo otenete amangana arengete chinse cheisiko abagakorwa ogosaba gochia ase ebyombe ebyo kwenekinga nkwene kibale ebinto byonsi bikonigwa nebironge binabo gokora bokorerwa bina ebwendrete ase boigo abagakoba saba gwetanga korwa ase bikorwa biria byobokurumi.
There is an element of uncertainty in some quarters with regard to which of these entities should oversight training schools, given that their roles are cross-cutting. I am aware that on account of the regulatory environment in aviation, we now have a situation where businesses prefer to have their aircraft serviced in Uganda and as far as Egypt, thus denying Kenyan businesses the opportunity. Identify innovative approaches to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of our regulatory framework. Please do not interpret this as a carte blanche to now arrange for benchmarking trips. My intention here is to provoke you to research online using available technology and infuse global best practices into our local regulatory environment. It is evident that we require a more proactive and forward-thinking approach to address this challenge and explore practical solutions for streamlining.
Togoskabosio ekeroch engaki embura agenda tegotua ase chinsemo chinyinge nigo egati yaba Kenya baberwa kwemurunganeria ogwakwa netoigo ase bonoiga ogosegeta kwenda tekurwe gochiasa ba Kenya kuriga chinchira echibara bagwetanga netoigo yaberekorokana ase chinsemo chinyinge gwetera ase chinchira buna ogwata emetara nawe kunganya gocha chinsemo chiri chingia anene mono ase bituno birite ikonyara goikerwa na mache yesigo kwana kurwa asense meria ya Busia Maega yokora egeikaro kyabakoreta abakori emeremo kurwa ase serikali ye county ya Busia na boigo ekyombegeri kumurekera emebasokano ne chinsemo ebitago biria byoborendi nigo baba ukwanera egati chinchira babere bekwerobeya buna enchira eyamo kwenekinga nkurwani bale ogwakwa netoigo yaberekorkana ase chinsemo ekyo.
Did our mapping some times back. We know which areas will be most affected, and as a region, Busia is leading. Then we expect that there could be possible landslides in places of Vihiga, considering it's a very rocky place. Then there could also be incidences of flooding in areas of Kakamega County. So we are appealing to our people to heed our warnings. If they are supposed to move to higher grounds, to move to higher grounds. We are also advising our drivers to be more careful on our roads.
Kuna wale wametolewa manyumbani kwa sababu ya maji. Na kama county tumejiandaa, tumeanza mikakati ya kufungua mitaro, kuelimisha watu kwa vijiji ya hali ya maji na hata respond kwa mambo ya wale ambao wameathirika. Tumepeana food and non-food items as a county. We have also tried to enhance our budgets in terms of responding to disaster within the county. And we are hoping that even as we continue to prepare, we are working with partners on the ground who are willing to work with us in responding to this.
Mwanjumuriria Ondizi TV oroboti uruno tujuikira omweli wa mangana mayia chinsa isano na ibere chiabono mugaso elieterane nkoro kwa Job Maangi no itobe tukubwaterana nere inde kwene kichibiche chiboigo na maliogi abira goikira asenchera yoboikira nuniga koro kwa Sara Momanyi oyone kinga nkonyorole amangana ya gwetera ase omonwa weimanyererio niga koro kwa Lydia Mose wikira chinga kichinde na abatakeire oburigireria obuya Ondizi TV nabwo Wansu Bomogusi.